congratulate everyone for really taking the time to do this. Thank you, parents. Thank you. In 5 years, 10 years from now, some of you are going to look back and say, hey, remember the coronavirus? And we were all home from school and nothing was going on, and we kept on taking piano lessons, and we even did a virtual recital, and at some point this is going to be in the past. Really do want to get back into in-person lessons, and we want to make that available. Just take a look out for our emails when that's going to happen. Thank you for watching. Have a great summer. We miss you, and we can't wait to see you.